Hi, I'm Chris Zock, Director of Product Marketing here at ServiceChannel. I'm going to talk today about how to select the right facilities management technology partner for your business goals. There's a range of facilities management software vendors out there, but working with the right partner is just as important as the features of the software itself. When you have the right partner, they won't just implement your software, they'll be dedicated to making you successful and helping you achieve your goals. So, what should you consider to find that partner? Here are some tips. First, are they proven? Do they have a history of successful, satisfied customers you can go talk to? Can they scale with your business? You may be a small company today, but you plan to keep growing, right? So can that partner keep up with your needs as they change? Will they provide timely support when you need help? How long does it take them to reply? Is there a customer success team you can reach out to? And does their team have FM experience in-house? Can they share real best practices from having been on your side of the table in the past? So beyond those upfront questions, you also want to think about total cost of ownership over the longer term. Some vendors may offer a lower sticker price to get you started, but don't forget to consider the future costs you'll face as your business grows and your program matures. Will you need to invest in some major customization project to make the system work for you? Or will you just be forced to switch platforms and start over from scratch so that you can keep scaling? So with that in mind, make sure you're thinking about not just what's needed for tomorrow, but also where your business is going over the next few years. Think about the automation you might need so that you don't have to keep growing your team as you add new locations. And think about, will you need help sourcing new service providers as you expand into new geographies where you don't already have a network today? And lastly, think about your own career growth. Are you getting access to the leading industry peers that you can network with and learn from their best practices? So that's a few quick tips for now. To learn more, check out the full guide to driving facilities transformation at servicechannel.com.